Hi, I'm Andie. I came on this retreat just to reset my batteries, and it's really been much more than I expected in terms of being really relaxing. There was just so much time to choose and no pressure on whether you just wanted to sit and read or join in on the action. And we managed to cook this amazing restaurant-worthy dinner as a team, and just got lots and lots of little tips. So being a bit of a foodie, it was so great to see how it all came together and have tips around storage and what different things would be used for. It was all very practical, and I love the fact that I can go home, put all of this into action, and anybody that's hesitating because they think that perhaps they don't like having heaps and heaps of people around them all the time, be rest assured that you'll get plenty of space and no pressure, and just do it.